Once upon a time, there was a clever fox who invited his friend Stork for dinner. Fox served delicious soup in shallow bowls, but poor Stork, with her long beak, couldn't reach the soup and went home hungry. A few days later, Stork invited Fox to her home and served tasty fish stew in tall, narrow jars. This time, it was Fox who couldn't reach the food with his short snout and went home hungry. From then on, they both learned a valuable lesson. It's important to treat others as you would like to be treated. Moral of the story: treat others as you would like to be treated. The Lion and a Mouse. Once upon a time, a lion and a mouse were best friends. They loved to play together in the jungle. One day, the lion got caught in a hunter's net and found himself unable to escape. Luckily, his brave little friend, the mouse, chewed through the ropes and set him free. From then on, they helped each other and lived happily in the jungle. The moral is, even small friends can make a big difference.